Your home doesn't need a renovation. It needs this. Here are 5 cheap upgrades that instantly level up your space. Most people overspend on things that barely matter. These fixes, they do. Number 1, declutter. I know it's not exciting, but it works. Less stuff means a cleaner, more put together space. You don't need more furniture, you need less clutter. Number 2, paint. This is the fastest transformation you can make. Fresh walls instantly modernize a room. Stick to white, light gray, or beige. Bad color looks cheap, good color looks intentional. Number 3, lighting. If your lighting sucks, everything does. Swap harsh bulbs for warm light. Upgrade outdated fixtures. Same room, better lighting, completely different feel. Number 4, hardware. Small detail, but makes a big impact. Change your cabinet handles. Swap your faucet. Or update your doorknobs. It's a 10-minute upgrade that changes the whole look. And number 5, curb appeal. This is your first impression. Clean it, trim it, add plants, paint the front door. If the outside looks good, everything inside feels better too. So don't start with a renovation, start with these, because small changes create big results. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe for more Make Easy content.